In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free SSL using Certbot. Now, I have a website using HTTP. So now I will install SSL for that website. Let's go to dashboard. Here is my demo instance. Let's connect to that instance. Hit connect and EC2 instant connect. My website using Nginx, so the first thing you're gonna do is install Certbot. Let's run sudo apt update. Now install Certbot. So now I will now Certbot already installed it. So I will install. Sorry, I will config SSL for this domain. My current domain is indiegameverse. HTTP. Here's in my website. So now we'll config HTTPS by using this command. My domain is indiegameverse.com. Sudo certbot nginx indiegameverse.com and then w. Enter. Now type your email. Yes. Yes. Wait about a minute to Certbot create a certificate for you. Now it's successful. Now the message is for successful certificate for my domain. Let's go to the browser and type in HTTPS. So now I already config SSL for my domain. It's free. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe for upcoming video. Thank you.